One of the key elements is knowing where you are today. The second key element is knowing where you're going to be tomorrow. So you need to document where today is, and you need to document the tomorrow.
OCM, or Organizational Change Management, is imperative anytime that you're taking on a new implementation. Whether it's EHR or ERP or any other acronyms you'll throw at it, change management's important. You got to understand the change that you're expecting people to make.
And the way ProSci does it, the way Avaap does it, it's doing it the right way. So it really hones in on building consensus and building an understanding on the client side why we're going through this transformation and what is the end result. A lot of times when you're in implementations, they take a long time. They're hard, and it's very difficult for people to see the light at the end of the tunnel. What change management does when it does it really, really well is it makes it clear up front what the benefits are going to be. It helps to identify the individuals, the personalities, the people that need a little bit of coaxing to come along for the ride, as well as the change champions, the people that are really those cheerleaders that are going to get out ahead of it and get other people excited.
It's important to remember that a project is not 1 week long. It could be 2 years long. It could be a 5-year strategy. Your business is not going to stand still within that period of time. Your business changes. We recognize that, and Avaap has the ability baked in to its people, its consultants, its bench, and its processes and its practices to be able to foresee that and manage it when it happens and work through that change with you so as not to disrupt the program and to make sure your business stays strong.